everybody, it's Ingrid from Twinkl, and today I'm going to share with you a fun word game that can help improve spelling and vocabulary. Boggle. The rules are simple. You start with a grid full of letters, and then learners can use the letters however they like to make as many words as they can. Set a timer for a couple of minutes, or you can do less depending on how difficult you want to make it, and then ask learners to write down their words. You can make it even more competitive by seeing who can find the most words or the longest word by the end of the round. When the timer goes off, everybody can count up their words, and if they like, they can share them. It can be fun comparing and seeing if you found the same words as everybody else, or if you had some unique ones that nobody else managed to get. Twinkl have Boggle worksheets on their website for this activity, which you can download and print at the hit of a button. So I'm going to leave a link to those down below. Alternatively, you can just draw your own grid somewhere nice and visible and fill it with letters. At the end of each round, you could rub them out and then just write in new ones. If you're wondering what the benefits of Boggle are, there are actually quite a few. This is an anagram game, and it exercises the player's ability to find patterns in letters, revise spelling words, and recall vocabulary words. It's a good way for us to remind ourselves how many words we actually know and can potentially use in our writing and our speech. There are also variations on this game you can use when playing in an educational setting. For example, if you want to make it easier, try losing the time limit. Instead, give learners a goal of a number of words that you would like them to try and find. This will take some of the pressure off and give them a target for them to complete the activity. You can also give them a dictionary so that they can check their spelling as they go. Remember, there are plenty of word games and activities available on the Twinkl website, so make sure you take a look around if you're interested. We'd love to hear some of the fun games that you might use in the classroom or with your child to help teach spelling and vocabulary. So if you'd like to share some with us, make sure you drop us a comment down below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you for watching and have a lovely day.